This is a new CNC turning sleeve developed by CIXI HOTO. CIXI HOTO production of a variety of ball bearing, bearing ring, bearing bushings, non-standard sleeves, OEM sleeves. Production scope 5 to 300 mm. Production process CNC connection production. Production process high efficiency, high stability, high precision, customized production. Product characteristics: digging, slotting, ultra-thin ring, ultra-thick ring, wide size range, roller, digging and other special processes. Material: bearing steel, Owaco steel, stainless steel. Applicant: aerospace, shipbuilding, machinery, textile machinery, agricultural machinery, and cast of bearing inner and outer rings. CIXI HOTO provides one-stop solution of all kinds of bearing ring. Welcome to inquiry order. Look forward to establishing long-term cooperation with you.